Grand Rising, everybody. How y'all doing today? So I am at this new restaurant. I can't remember the name. I walked in without really looking at the name. It's new owners. And I got me some bacon, some powdered sugar, Belgian waffle, some cream on top, green butter, and some greens. I know it's kind of an odd, it's an odd breakfast. And I got me a tea. So yeah, that's what I'm eating for my breakfast today. Thank y'all for watching, liking, commenting, doing good. Y'all have a great day. Oh, let me let y'all see the syrup. I like to do the quarter syrup. I'm gonna put some syrup on.
I'm talking about just like
Okay, so that's the syrup. And let's see how it tastes. Hold on, y'all. You see it? Hold on.
amongst others.
It tastes pretty good, y'all. And it's still a little warm. I might put some more syrup on that, personally. I just love syrup, honestly. Yeah, I think that needs a little bit more syrup. Hold on, y'all. That tastes better. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my breakfast. I haven't had collard greens in a minute, so let me get off because that noise in the background. Alright. Have a good day, stay.